Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Kiran back with another video. First of all, I want to apologize to you guys regarding the previous video. Man, I realized the audio was very bad after I uploaded it. I couldn't help myself anymore. I'm very sorry guys. But coming to today's vlog, because of these COVID-19 issues, every one of us are stuck at home for at least 80 days. Man, it's too boring at home. When we are at office or when we are going to colleges, we used to feel that, man, why are these colleges and offices are doing every day? Why can't we stay at home? But when it comes to staying at home, man, it's very difficult. I know we all are very bored being at home right now. So I just want to entertain you guys by just doing a short spin around my village. This is a beautiful village, man. Hope you can see. Well, coming to my upcoming rides, there is a group named as Vizag Bikers in WhatsApp. So there are around 19 to 20 people in that group. All are from Vizag, and we all are planning for a short ride. You call it as a breakfast ride on 7th of June. So if any one of you are willing to join us, just please comment down below. I will definitely add you guys in that group. And coming to my upcoming rides, well, because of this lockdown, many rides have been postponed. There are many places to visit, such as Rayawada Reservoir. I haven't been there. And Maredmelli, man, that place is getting postponed every time. And actually I have prepared a new itinerary for Maredmelli trip. So if any one of you guys are interested in going there from Vizag to Vizag, a 2-day trip, if you are interested in knowing that itinerary, then please comment down below. I will definitely forward that itinerary, so it might help you guys for traveling with your friends. So it is not just for me. Anybody can travel with that plan. Man, it's budget friendly and it's safer because there are no night rides in that plan. I came around 15 kilometers from my home into those small villages, and this is a small bridge. I think something has happened here. Oh man, nothing, just a small just a traffic jam, man. I think that car is driven. ఏం అవ్వలేదన్న, డ్రైవింగ్ రాదు కావాలి ఆంటీకి, పక్కకు ఆపేశారంట. I think that the car is driven by an auntie. I think she doesn't know how to drive, so she got a panic in that turning. So she suddenly stopped the car by the side, and someone is helping her to move her car. Guys, today I am not even crossing 40 kilometers per hour because I am recording with my mobile phone. Many of you guys have asked me that, not my subscribers actually, those are my friends, how will you mount your mobile phone to your helmet? So I think this technique deserves a separate video. I think that video will be updated in the next Sunday. And one of my subscribers and my dear friend asked me about the NS 160 review. My dear friend, I did not forget it. I will definitely do it, but it requires a lot of work, scripting and all of those. I thought it is very easy to do a YouTube video, but man, scripting, editing, uploading, if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, it feels like it is on your nerves. Man, these are very beautiful trees. Hello guys, time is around 3:15 p.m. and today is Sunday. I just came to visit this beautiful place. Hope you can see. If you want to see more pictures of this place, please do follow me on Instagram. I'll post there. It's an extraordinary place, man. So now let's head back to home. I think the short spin has come to an end by witnessing this kind of a beautiful place. Man, I want to look at once again. There you go. What a beautiful place. If you want to see those pictures of that beautiful place, follow me on Instagram. I will keep it somewhere around here. Well, that's it for today's vlog, guys. See you in the next vlog. If you end up watching till here, you might have liked this video. On a bit of side note, a subscribe would be amazing.